Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you the different steps of analysis of normal urine. So before, you should know what is urine analysis. A urine analysis or urinalysis is a test of urine. It is used to detect and manage a wide range of disorders such as urinary tract infections, kidney disease and diabetes. A urine analysis involves checking the appearance, concentration and content of the urine. Abnormal analysis result may point to a disease or illness. Now, the different equipments required for the analysis of urine are gloves, apron, dipsticks, urine sample and paper towels. Then first, the initial assessment of urine. First of all, you should wash your hand, don an apron and gloves, confirm the patient's detail on the sample bottle are correct, including their name, date of birth and hospital number. Inspect the color of the urine, inspect the clarity of the urine and consider opening the sample pot's cap and assessing the urine's odor. Then color inspection. Straw colored urine is the normal color of urine in a healthy hydrated individual. Dark concentrated urine suggests the individual is dehydrated. Red urine can be caused by the presence of blood in the urine. In case of macroscopic hematuria, porphyria, drugs such as rifampicin and certain foods, for example beetroot. Brown urine can be caused by the presence of bile pigments in case of jaundice or myoglobin in case of rhabdomyolysis in the urine. Some antimalarial medications such as chloroquine also cause brown discoloration of the urine. Then next is inspection of clarity. Clear urine is the normal for healthy, well hydrated individual. Cloudy urine with sediment may indicate urinary tract infection, renal stones, high protein content, for example in case of nephrotic syndrome. Frothy urine typically associated with significant proteinuria. Then inspection of odor. Offensive odor suggests urinary tract infection. Sweet odor suggests glycosuria, for example in case of diabetes mellitus. But assessment of urinary odor is rarely performed in practice. Then dipstick testing. Dipsticks are chemically sensitive strip of paper used to identify one or more constituents such as glucose or protein of urine by immersion. These sticks are dipped into urine and the chemicals on the stick react and change color if levels are above normal. Now, the different steps of this dipstick testing are: first of all, check the expiry date of the urinalysis dipstick. Remove a dipstick from the container, avoiding touching the reagent squares. Replace the container lid to prevent oxidation of the remaining dipsticks. Insert the dipstick into the urine sample. Ensure all reagent squares are fully immersed. Remove the dipstick immediately and tap off any residual urine using the edge of the container, making sure to hold the dipstick horizontally to avoid cross-contamination of the reagent squares. Then, lay the dipstick flat on a paper towel. Use the urine analysis guide on the side of the testing strip container to interpret the findings. Different reagent squares on the strip need to be interpreted at different times, so ensure you interpret the correct test at the appropriate time interval. For example, 60 seconds for protein. Once you have interpreted all of the tests, discard the strip into the clinical waste bin along with your gloves and apron and then wash your hands. Thank you.